Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free clothes and a skin in PUBG Mobile without spending any real money. As we all know, cosmetic items can really enhance your gaming experience. And who doesn't love rocking a cool new outfit or a skin on the battlegrounds? So let's dive right in. Hello and welcome back. On the lobby menu, on the right side, tap on T-Rolly icon here. After that, try to find the outfits and tap on it. Here I will show you on the right side outfits. As you can see guys, there is so many options to buy your clothes, but as you can see, you can buy them just with UC and you should pay. But when you scroll down and you go to downside, you will see so many options and clothes which you can buy them with gold. And actually the gold is a coin in PUBG Mobile. As you can see, I have 12,000 gold on my account. The best option is just tap on default, and here you will see AG purchase first. Just tap on it, and after that you will see that all clothes are filtered by gold coins, and it's so easy to find them and select one of them. Actually there are several methods for earning gold coins in PUBG Mobile. One way is to complete daily missions and achievements, which can reward players with gold coin. Another way is to participate in events and challenges, which often offer gold coins as prize. Guys, in some clothes you may see two amount of gold coins for purchase. The lowest amount of gold coins is for 7 days and the highest amount is for buying clothes permanently. Of course, I will explain to you what is the story about. Let me show you guys. First of all, I actually set the price from low to high, and let me choose one of them. Not this one, not this one. Actually, let me show here. As you can see guys, there is a 3 amounts for 7 days, 30 days and for permanent days. Depending on the amount of coins you have, you can buy your clothes, but my suggestion is to buy a dress that you will use permanently and not spend your gold for temporary clothes. Now for example, let me find a dress and buy it permanently for you to learn. So let me choose one of them. Actually, I would like this one. When you tap on here, I'm in the cost, you will see 3 options for 7 days, 30 days and permanent. I choose permanent, and as you can see, I got it. So I choose equip it, and as you can see, I have the dress. Now let me show you on my inventory. So I will tap on inventory, and as you can see, I have the clothes here, and this is my clothes. Again, we will tap on jewelry icon, and we are going to actually next trick, and which is just tap on redeem. And here you can see guys 4 options to buy clothes. Buy BP, buy BP Royal, silver coin and diamond. And in next I will tell you how to get each of them. The first coin is BP, which you can get BP by playing the game, completing daily and weekly missions, participating in events, social media giveaways, and here are some additional tips to maximize your BP earning by playing with friends and claim your rewards. Next is BP Royal, which is for VIP user. and the user who paid for something, and we don't cover it in this tutorial, so we will go to next, which is silver coin. The next is silver coin, which you can get by daily and weekly missions, season end rewards, opening crates such as classic and supply, and premium crates, and events. The next is blue crystal, which you can find them by completing specific missions or challenges in the game, or you might get them during special events or promotions that PUBG Mobile runs. Guys, you get all these coins or money absolutely free in PUBG Mobile while you play, and you don't need to know how to get them. I told you how to get them, and in next step I will show you how to get clothes with these coins. In this section you will find items that can be bought with BP. As you can see, they are very scarce, and here you will find the ornament that I have already bought. And here there is a little trick I should tell you. You can here change your BP or exchange your BP to silver coin, and after that you can buy many options with silver coin. Just tap on here and select your amount of your BP, and as you can see I had changed my BP to silver coin. As you can see, that's it. Actually in this section you will see the clothes which you can buy with BP Royal, and you will see clothes that you can buy with BP Royal. Because this section requires a subscription and is actually paid, we will skip this section and go to actually buy clothes with silver coins. As you can see, there are many items in this section that you can buy with silver coins, including gun skins, helmet skins, hat skins, and various accessories and different clothes. Well, for example, we choose an outfit or accessory together and start shopping it with silver coins, and to see how it goes. And let me actually choose one of them. Let me choose, and actually I like this stuff. As you can see, sunglasses, and I love actually this item. Actually guys, I'm in love with this ornament. It's sexy and interesting, especially when you walk and the back of your backpack shakes, and it's very interesting. So I will choose it and just tap on here, start to shopping it. As you can guys, again we have a duration time 7 days, 30 days, and I always choose permanent, so I have it now in my inventory and can select it. So it's interesting guys. As you can see, there are many different items that you can buy, and as you can see I bought quite a few of them already. And finally you will see the blue crystal. The number of its items is limited, and this coin is hard to find in the game. If you have a lot of them, according to the amount of that each item wants, you can use them and buy that item. Well, our work is done here. As you can see, it's a complete tutorial about buying clothes for free in PUBG Mobile. If you like this kind of video, you can subscribe my channel, hit the bell, and like this video and share it with your friends who play PUBG Mobile game. So with another educational video, see you soon guys, be careful of yourself, goodbye.